is that we need to be self-reliant in defense production. Now, some of the measures which have been suggested, which are welcome step, firstly, certain low technological equipment which we are still importing, we need to ban that equipment from import so that we challenge the industry, we challenge the scientists, and we lay down a timeline that up to so and so time it can be imported, but thereafter it will not be imported, and therefore that is the deadline for DRDO and for all other agencies which are researching on that, to ensure that thereafter they are capable and they can and they must do indigenous production of those particular equipments. Similarly, there are a number of spares which come along with the imported equipment. Now, if we have to be self-reliant, a number of spares can be manufactured locally. In fact, a number of foreign firms are getting their spares manufactured in India. And that is, the capability exists, but we have not perhaps exploited it to the extent which we should have. And certainly we need to reduce our import bill. We cannot have such a large army with neighbors who are hostile, and we have to maintain large defense forces, and we cannot be spending the entire foreign exchange on import of defense equipment. Certainly, our tag of being the largest importer of defense equipment is not something which we should be very proud of. We should be manufacturing it ourselves, and we need to be independent. We need to be self-reliant on that. Another major issue is the Ordnance Factory Board. They have to be corporatized. They can't be protectionist industries, and therefore there is a need to give them autonomy. There is also need to give them accountability. They have to be held accountable. They have to be held accountable in terms of the finances as well, and no more free lunches or additional help. So therefore, I think corporatization is an important step which we must ensure so that the Ordnance Factory Board comes out as in competition with the rest of the private industry. If need be, they can well be doing partnership with the private industry, because private industry by itself cannot spend so much on research and development, and Ordnance Factory Board already has got a production line, and a little bit of tweaking of production line can help us, and if we can make it profitable, I think that will help India to a very great extent. We certainly need to be self-reliant, and therefore all the reforms which have been given today are a right step in the right direction. Thank you.